Big Boss lovers, welcome back to my channel and so sorry for not uploading videos for like 2 weeks, 2 episodes. I really missed uploading. I was traveling and unfortunately I just couldn't shoot. So I'm really sorry for that. Now on the third week, Arvind and Vikas Balla get out. Fourth week, Yuvika. Very surprising, Digagna and Rimi gets more votes than them. Like seriously? I wonder why Salman Khan is giving so much importance to Rimi. She's the most ungrateful contestant in the house. Without doubt. Ticket to finale. It's not even a joke. And even if it's a joke, in the joke also it's unfair. She never participates in any task and she shouldn't be given the luxury items. Actually, if you go to see, Yera banke pheda khana. Exactly. This week was the best, guys. I'm sure many of you agree, like this week was the best. Nominations with Salman Khan and ultimately Rochelle, Aman, Digagna, Rimi, Kishwar and Puneet are nominated. If we scrutinize Aman's behavior, a little bit of his gestures and everything, he is actually spineless. So if you remember the scene when Digagna was eating, Aman comes and tells her if the food is not cooked, you don't eat it, throw it and all that, just because he was not allowed to cook. What was that? The wannabe dumb babe throws the food. Can you imagine? She didn't even microwave it. Like what? What did you think the food is going to be then? What the hell? Actually, it should be punishable in the house. Wasting food and throwing food should be strictly punishable. Here comes the super duper task, which makes everyone go crazy. Then Puneet in the task gives personal comments to Mandana. Why? Because she's a foreigner and she does not include haldi in her diet? What? Puneet, you look mad definitely, but don't behave like one. That too with cheap comments. Like always, Prince loses his head. Prince was acting as if some mad dog bit him and the effects started showing immediately. Oh my god. तू बहुत बड़ा कमीना है, Prince. He thinks he's very great. Roadies winner, Mr. Chandigarh and all that. Oh my god. Someone please send Khalin to the house to just actually smash him, sit on him, blow him. He is just too much. He's brainless, he's heartless, he's ruthless, he's mannerless. He's just too much. He's baseless also. Basically, he's doing dadagiri in the house. After being rejected by Mandana while talking to Salman, I think Prince's main aim is to just harass Mandana. Rolling on her bed, spoiling her clothes. Like, what the hell? Don't stoop so low, Mr. Ghatin. Oops, Mr. Chandigarh. Basic manners is what he has to really learn. He actually smashed food on Rochelle's face. Was that needed? I mean, it's the face, the skin is delicate, it's going to be hurting. What the hell were you thinking in just like smashing it? He actually touched Mandana while putting food behind her shirt. He actually touched her. It's not so easy to actually pull your shirt and put, food into the shirt without being touched. And he denies it. Why? तू गलती कर रहा है, उसके बाद तू इनकार भी कर रहा है. Mandana right then should have made a huge scene. Best was Mandana giving a super kick to Kish. It was super, babes. If you go to see Princess getting more hyper and like instigating Kish, was Digagna actually in the task? Because she wasn't taking part. And top of it, giving ideas. Put salt in the chili powder. Why can't you do it? Why give ideas? For two. Rimi on the other hand just has one expression for everything. Whether it's a fight, whether it's an argument, she just has this clown effect on her face. Either she's applying lipstick, that to orange or red color, it doesn't suit you. Or she's applying cream on her hand. That's only what she's doing in the house. I wish she gets out of the house as soon as possible because she is something which is so irritating. She's the worst person in Bigg Boss till now, I guess. Mandana gets a baby punishment for kicking Kishore. Kishore's plan to throw Mandana out of the house didn't work. But it can't work because both were at fault. Like Mr. Ghatan always tells, Tali ek haath se nahi basti. Exactly. Don't harass a person so much that she gives you a hard kick. Reminded me of Gauti actually when Karishma put mirchi on his body and then he gave it to her. And then he became super famous. Then comes the task for Garnier Men face wash and Puneet just loses his head. I mean, like, what was that? What was that? What the hell was that? Did Puneet get possessed? I mean, like, what the hell? Throwing and then putting him on the floor and like, he just basically, I think, just got possessed. Maybe something got into him. But luckily, Rishabh is not so short-tempered, so he didn't react as much as he should. He's a nice guy basically. I've been following him from Splitsvilla and Kabul Hai also. He's quite a nice guy. So this week was a real fun week for us, where Junglis become more Junglis, especially Kishore, Suyash and Mr. Ghatan. Oh, I miss Mr. Decent so much. Keith. I just can't wait for today's Salman Khan's class. It's going to be like super fun. It's going to be superb. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and see you on Saturday with a new video. Bye-bye.